Foundations from internet like I did. So if you want the exact same shade for your skin color, you must try it in store first. Once you know have the exact shade for you, you are in safe zone. This foundation is too light for my skin shade, but I really love the formula and how it works. Oops, I did a mess again. This is from Wet n Wild and I love the formula, especially for the price point. So I'm gonna just buff it out the foundation all over my face best as I can, because as you can see, it's not my shade, but I love the formula and how it feels in my skin. For sure I'm gonna get a darker shade. As it's not working, I decided to pick up the excess of product using my damp beauty blender. This is from Sigma as well. And now don't worry, you don't have to remove everything, perfecting skin. And this is the shade Vanilla, which is too dark for me, and I'm not afraid to be happy, so I'm gonna just dot it all over my face and then I'm gonna blend it all again using the same bright pink brush. I absolutely love this Wet n Wild foundation. I think it works so well for my skin, but I had this little problem with the skin shade that is not matching with the color of my foundation, but that's foundation. And next I'm gonna conceal my dark circles using the Jouer concealer by Maybelline. I'm using the shade Light and I'm gonna apply using this triangle shape under my eyes, and I'm gonna apply this concealer everywhere I want to highlight a little bit, like this. Too light or too dark for your skin shade. No matter how hard you try, it will always happen, especially if you bought your phone. Try it in store first. Once you know have the exact shade for you, you are in safe zone. This foundation is too light, especially for the price point. So I was trying this foundation for the first time today, and clearly you can see this is not my shade. Before I go through the day, once I have the foundation all over my face, I'm gonna just blend using this bright pink kabuki brush by Kajal. So I'm gonna just buff it out the foundation all over my face best as I can, because as you can see, it's not my shade, but excess of product using my damp beauty blender. This is from Sigma as well. And now don't worry, you don't have to remove everything. And here I don't have a darker shade of the same foundation, but I'm gonna try to find a similar one. But if you favorite, this is Clinique Beyond Perfecting Skin, and this is the shade Vanilla, which is too dark for me. And I absolutely love this Wet n Wild foundation. I think it works so well for my skin, but I had this little fix for my skin, and as you can see, I could fix this little problem with another foundation. This is a really normal. I'm gonna just make sure that everything is well blended with the beauty blender again. Using this trick, this step is really important. If I'm gonna conceal my dark circles using the Jouer concealer by Maybelline, I'm using the shade Light, and I'm going to highlight a little bit as well. I really love this concealer because it's so thin. The formula is very dry. glowy blush finish in my skin. Really love it. Now I'm gonna set my face using a light powder. This is a more lighter formula. I love this powder so much. Keep my foundation and everything in the place. So I'm gonna apply a little bit in my face. Using the same brush, I'm gonna apply this bright pink blush by Sigma. Oh my god, this color browns my face a little bit. This part is optional, but I'm using one of my favorite bronzers of all the time and product. Oh my god, so I'm gonna grab just a little bit of product in the brush that it gives in my skin. I love it. So that's it for this video, my lovies. I hope